Hello children, how are you? How are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel MindSpark. Okay, and today's topic is triangles. Okay, we should know all the triangles. How many different type of triangles? We should be. You should introduce these triangles, and you should know different type of triangles and where to use the properties. Okay, basically you should know all the different types of triangles. Then coming to triangles, first one is acute triangle. In acute triangle, what you are going to say is all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, acute triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degrees, like this. Okay, you can see acute triangle. Okay, all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle B not equal to angle A comma angle B comma angle C, all are less than 90 degrees. That is, first one is acute triangle. Next comes your right angle triangle. Okay, so right angle triangle, one angle must be 90 degrees. Then only we're going to call it as right angle triangle. You can see right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Not necessary that it should be in this shape. In some question papers, to say the children will get confusion. Okay, the triangle can be like this also, and angle can be anywhere here also. Okay, please keep this in mind so that you will not get confusion. So it is not always in this shape, the shape can change. Okay, so this is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, what you should know is, you have very important, that is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem states that, okay, in a right angle triangle, okay, Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, you should start the statement like that. In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is the Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. Okay, so next coming to equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Okay, all angles are equal. Equi means equal, lateral means sides. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. And how much each angle is? 60 degrees. So this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. And you draw a construction line, that is AD, where angle D is 90 degrees, and applying Pythagoras theorem for ADC triangle. ADC if you apply, so you get AC square is equal to, that is square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the other two sides. Okay, squares of the other two sides. AD square plus DC square.